Okay, Matthew, you've got a ball. Let's see if you can roll it down here on your own. From all the way back by the door. Okay, let's do it. It went backwards. You gotta get it. Oh, get your ball. There you go. Come on. Good job, buddy. Oh, it went backwards. You gotta get it. Oh, great. You're pushing it in the room now? Let's switch routes here. Matthew. There you go. Roll it over here. Yeah. Yeah, roll it. There you go. What are you gonna do? You just went over your ball. Matthew, it's back there. Go get it. There you go. Good job, buddy. You made it all the way to the end.